My name's Olley, and for the last 10 years I've been making videos, and a lot of the time I wasn't getting paid for doing so. And if I'm being honest, that really didn't matter. I was finding my feet in being able to tell my story, and in many ways I still am. Leadpages is an all-in-one website and landing page builder, so if coding websites is not your thing, simplify your website creation by using Leadpages. Use the first link in the description for a free 14-day trial. In the environment I was raised in, like many of you watching, the older generation force their views on us, and we really can't blame them. They don't understand anyone in the world can make videos for the internet and have thousands, if not millions of people see them and get paid for doing so. After leaving an office job that suffocated my creative side, I went to work in the gym and fell back in love with creating content. But looking back, I didn't have a clue what I was creating, and most importantly, who I was creating it for. I picked up a few social media management clients and handed in my notice in the gym. I decided I was going to make it work. I started managing other people's social media accounts and creating content, producing videos, graphics, and honestly just accepting any work that came my way. This was a great time of my life, and I achieved stuff that I'm so proud of and worked with some amazing clients. This process truly shaped the man I am today. It also shaped the type of content I now create on this channel. I'm not one to boast about my successes and client work, so from the outside looking in, I was just sitting at home creating silly videos. At this point, people around me started to dictate what I should be doing. You need to get a real job. It's not healthy for you to stay at home making videos. I was in and out of different jobs that I honestly had no interest in, just to keep my head above water and try and keep smiles on the faces that meant most to me. I mean, who was I to think I could make it work when no one around me had done the same? I took some calculated risks, probably hindered relationships, and grew a whole lot in the process. And even though I wasn't seeing an instant return for the channel, I knew I would never give up. I've been monetized for just over a month now, and I want to be super transparent with this channel, and I honestly would encourage anyone watching this video to make their own YouTube channel. I've documented so many amazing experiences through this channel and generated leads on autopilot for my online business. The ad revenue is just going to be an added bonus at this point, and in my eyes it will continue to grow and grow alongside me as a person and a creator. I had made way over 200 videos before getting monetized, so my biggest advice to anyone watching is to just get going. Everything else you will learn on the way. And that basically brings us to now. I want to show you exactly what the channel has made since it's been monetized and just give you a backdoor entrance into the analytics and everything that's gone down. So we're going to jump onto the computer. We're going to jump onto the computer and I'm going to show you like just raw the analytics and what the channel has made so far. One thing you need to consider is this is what I've earned from YouTube alone, and you need to think as well, like I was making money on YouTube indirectly ever since I started YouTube. So please do not see this and think, oh, I'm not going to start it because it's taken him X amount of years to get to that point and it's only like making a small amount. Like you can't get into YouTube for the money, I don't think anyway. Like you need to have a passion for creating videos and helping people. Like that's what my videos are now about, is just like how-to videos helping you guys at home to achieve X. So I'm more than certain that this is going to grow to past the full-time income for a lot of like standard jobs, definitely. But also this has allowed me to make this money on autopilot now and just continue to reinvest into the channel. So let's jump into the analytics and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Channel over the last 28 days has got 8,433 views, which isn't incredible. You just need to play this long term. This is a long-term thing for me, and it should be for you guys as well. Obviously you can get people come onto YouTube and blow up like overnight, but ultimately that's not what's happened to me, and I honestly wouldn't wanted that to have happened because I want to create something consistent. I wouldn't want to go viral and then think I have to like continuously keep creating the exact same video. Like I'm creating videos I like and that I enjoy creating, and hopefully, you know, they're bringing value to people, and slowly but surely, you know, they're making money as well now. So you can see here, you know, the last 28 days, it was this day that I dropped the proposal video, and I went from getting like 1,045 views on that day to then dropping back down to my regular sort of 460, 380, sort of 280 mark. I think my average views is probably around 280 views a day, which you can see, yeah, it's kind of like around that mark. But that's not what you're here for. You're here for the revenue, the money side of things. So we click onto the revenue and we're just going to literally hit see more, so you can see exactly what's gone on since the channel got monetized. So if we go all the way back, we want to go to the start of when it got monetized, so we can go custom, and we're going to go to the 6th of January. 6th of January was the day that it got monetized, and we'll keep it to today or yesterday. It's only going to be able to go to, and just hit apply. You can see here that you've got all of the traffic, all of the revenue, where it's come from, and you can see that this video here has got 2,742 views since, and it's made £51.78. And that for me is so incredible, because if you have a look on here, like I made this video in 2019 and now it's a couple of years later, and now it's sort of paying me a dividend in a sense, right? So that's why I always talk about YouTube videos kind of being like digital assets. This video like only got a couple of views like the first couple of days as well, and it just slowly grew over time. It's the same with most of my videos. Like when we got back from traveling is when I started to really put effort into the videos and knew that I needed to get the channel monetized. Like that just became one of my goals, was like, I need to get this channel monetized. So I started switching up my content to searchable content. I wasn't just vlogging, I was making valuable content, searchable content. That these are evergreen videos. Like these will continue getting views for the rest of life. Continue getting views because they're searchable content. It's not like me just vlogging a day and people aren't actually going onto YouTube and searching for it. So another key thing of advice would be like create searchable content as well. Like obviously you need to create those videos that are going to be interesting to your existing audience, of course, but you need to create searchable content, stuff that people are actually going onto YouTube and searching for as well. That how to set up recurring payments on Stripe, you can see that the video underneath it has almost got like double the views but has made less money. And the only reason I think that is because Stripe is obviously a payment processor, so you need to think about the type of people that are wanting to advertise in front of both of those videos. You're probably going to find that more money is spent putting in front of the Stripe video versus the Zoom video. Change this to the custom parameters, and what we'll do is we'll just do the last 90 days because it only got monetized on the 6th of Feb. So 6th of January, sorry. So you can see here like £0, £0, £0. Let's just get rid of this behind. £0, £0, £0, £0, all the way up until the 5th of January. So the first day we turned the ads on, the channel made £1.57, which it really isn't that bad. Like you think my goal is to just get this to at least like, that would be really cool for me. You know, I'm going to see that as like a massive, massive success. So you can see that it then went to £3.07, and I was like, ooh, okay, ooh. Second day it was monetized, £3.07. Then it dropped down £2.76, £2.48, £2.01. Then it went back up £3.17. And then we had like a mad day. Obviously, this was within the first week of it getting monetized. So I'm sort of trying to judge like what the price is sort of going to be. What can I expect the average daily rate to be? It then went from £6.40 and it dropped all the way down to £3.23. And ever since it's sort of been around that mark, to be honest with you. So £2.91, £3.97, £3, £3.50, £3.84, £3.46, £3.69, £3.31, £3.50, £3.16, then it drops down £1.55, £2.93, and so on and so forth. So it just sort of like, it sort of goes up and goes down. So there's not like a consistent theme, which is cool. And that's obviously like why a lot of YouTubers will not depend on like the YouTube ad revenue as like their main income. And pretty much every single YouTuber will have multiple streams of income. Now this is completely passive at the end of the day. Like now when you put out a new video, that's just more opportunity to get in front of more people, to get more subscribers, to get more viewers, to put more ads in front of the videos. Whereas I could now just leave this channel and I'm pretty sure that it will consistently bring in a decent amount of money, considering those videos have been made now. Like those videos will sit there, and if I left this channel for the next 10 years and just sort of let it trickle on, I'm sure that it would at least pay like a decent dividends long term. Like I think my car insurance is like now £38, I believe. So it would pay for that 3 times what it's made. You know for a fact, like these things just compound. So that will continue making more money every single month, I personally believe, because I've now seen the income from those videos that I made years ago. There's no reason that won't happen with every other video I've made since. If I break that down as well, you can, just so you can see here, like we had some really good days after that as well, for like £5.57. That was on the 9th of February, so a month after we got monetized. £4.75, 10th of February, £5.10, and then it's dropped back down to like the £3.10 sort of mark, and then that's sort of processing. So I'm really happy with where it is right now, to be honest with you, considering I haven't made like a mad amount of videos this year as well. I'm really happy, and I'm just going to continue making these videos. Of course, the money is obviously a big impact from it, but like I said at the start, this isn't like my main source of income, and I've been making money on YouTube since I started it. And that's what I would say is, as long as you're using it to promote a service, I'm a social media marketer, I'm a video editor, and I offer online services. And one of the best videos on the channel is directly promoting one of my services. So before the AdSense that video is now bringing in, I was already making money through the video. So as long as you're using the platform as a way to bring in new leads for the business, then you're winning already. All right. So yeah, just to sum up, it got monetized on the 6th of Feb. The 6th of January. It's now the 14th of Feb, and it has made £127.65. And during that time, I have gained 207 subscribers, which isn't great, but same again, I'm here for the long run, people. I'm not here for an overnight show. So £127.65 in the last, it's not even 90 days because it's just over a month now. It's 4.5 weeks since it got monetized, so I'm pretty happy with that. And if we go to the last 28 days to just give you a better scheme of things, if you was trying to think of like a monthly basis, it was £93.06. So, I'd say an average of £100 a month. Obviously, this is the first month it's been monetized. So, yeah, it's cool when you look at this, right? If you click on the revenue, and then if I go to lifetime, you're just going to see that, look at that, look. This channel has been live since Tuesday, the 8th of February, 2011. That's mad. That's actually quite crazy. And you can see here, look, I don't know why, but basically YouTube changed their like monetization requirements. And like I said, I was just using YouTube to upload videos for other projects. I wasn't doing it to become a YouTuber at that stage, I suppose. But like there was times where it's made money back here in 2017. Started making videos again properly around the end of 2019. So yeah, I'm happy guys. So yeah, if you are looking to start making YouTube videos, I cannot recommend it enough, simply for the things I've documented. Obviously, like the money side of things is an added bonus, and I will make a separate video on other ways that I make money through the YouTube channel, not solely relying on YouTube AdSense, because of like, £129 in the last 90 days isn't going to be adequate for you to survive. This is going to continue to grow, I can tell you that for a fact. I'm going to keep you updated with the income. Maybe I'll do it quarterly, probably quarterly. Yeah, I'll do it quarterly just so you can see the growth that it sort of goes through from me getting monetized to growing it to a full-time income. I'm excited for what's to come. I'm excited for the videos I'm going to create, but most importantly, I'm excited for you to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, smash the subscribe button to make sure you never miss out a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I couldn't have done this without you lot, so yeah, I really appreciate it.
Hollywood 6.